In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the easiest way of how you can start with affiliate marketing from scratch. If this is something that you're considering doing, maybe you've listened about this business opportunity, but you're like, well, I'm not sure how to start it. I'm not sure how this actually works. Definitely this video is for you. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this video is going to be a complete affiliate marketing beginner guide. Okay, but if you want to be a pro and you want to learn everything from A to Z, check the very first link in the description. Okay, so now, first, what is not affiliate marketing? Because sometimes people are confused. Okay, affiliate marketing, okay, MA, it's not selling. Okay, we are not salesperson, because it's not, this is going to be calling affiliate sales or something like that. Okay, so it's called marketing. What we do is we market, we promote people's products, services. Okay, that's what we do. We promote them. We talk about, about them based on our experience. That's what we do. We market. Okay, so chances are that you are doing it right now, but maybe you don't know. Okay, let me show you basically what it is. Okay, here you have a product or an offer, and here you have a customer or a lead, someone who might be interested in the product or service that you decide to promote. Okay, maybe because they hear the brand, someone recommend the product, but they're not 100% sure is that actually gonna be the best fit for them. There are others who have a problem. They are aware of the problem, but they don't know what's the solution, and you can let them know, like, hey, do you have this problem? Well, here's the solution. And there are others who, what we call cold traffic, that they consider what we consider a problem something normal. But if you let them know, like, hey, if you feel like this, hey, that's not normal, that's actually a problem, and here's the solution. Okay, and here you are the affiliate marketer. Okay, you're gonna be like, hey, you customer, okay, I have a solution for you, is this one. Okay, and the company is going to provide you with a special link, so when they purchase, you are going to earn a commission. The commission depend on the company. Okay, right now over 80% of the companies on the internet have an affiliate program. Okay, over 80% of them had affiliate program. We do even have what we call affiliate marketplaces, such as JVZoo, WordPlus, ClickBank, DStore24, and others. Okay, this is not something new. This has been around since the 90s online, and this is something that we do by nature. Okay, chances are you're like, yeah, no, I'm not doing it. Remember, affiliate marketing is not selling. Okay, affiliate marketing is recommending. So if you watch a movie and you really enjoy it, chances are that right now you go to the office on the Monday. This is going to be O for office, and here's going to be you are going to be telling everybody, hey, I watched this movie, this is the best theater, I enjoy this, I don't know, because of this XYZ. You're gonna love the experience, so you should go and watch it. Okay, but right now you are not earning any commission, but that's basically what you do. You are not selling them the tickets, you are not selling them the soda, you are not selling them the popcorn. Okay, no, you're just talking about based on your experience. Okay, so that's what affiliate marketers do. Here at the movie theater, there is someone who is telling them, like, hey, we have this 2D tickets, do you want to make an upgrade? We have this 4D experience, blah blah blah, and all this stuff. They are the ones who are doing the sale. The same with affiliate marketing. We just recommend products. As in my case, I prefer to recommend something based on my experience. Okay, so how everything started with an offer or with a product. Okay, a product or service that you really enjoy. Okay, if you want to do this in a really professional way, okay, I suggest you to do what we call email marketing. Okay, this is something not complicated. It's a 2-page system. Okay, and you can start this for free. Okay, in which you're gonna be collecting people's name and emails. Okay, you are gonna be doing a video, or chances are that you're gonna be doing writing some information about your experience, and after that, okay, you're gonna send them to the product page. Okay, you're gonna send them to the product page. Okay, but since we are collecting the emails, okay, we can recommend them. Let's go ahead and continue with the example that I provided you before based on the movie, where I can suggest them other movies that you enjoy, or chances are like you are like, hey, I also enjoy this restaurant that you can go after after you enjoy the movie, or on the next weekend, or so on. And these are other offers that you are going to be getting a commission because of that. Okay, what else do you need? Well, you need something that we call traffic. So this is basically eyeballs. Okay, that's what we need. We need eyeballs. We need people who are going to be interested on, this supposed to be eyes, okay, who are going to be interested on what we have to offer. So where are they? Where they are on the social networks right now. They're on TikTok, they're on Instagram, they're on YouTube. They might be reading a blog. They might be on a forum. Yeah, people are using forums. Okay, they are on the internet. Some of them are even offline. Okay, so if we have, for example, I'm not 100% sure what kind of movies you like. Maybe you prefer, horror movies. You love scary movies, So you talk about those type of movies. Maybe you are like, no, I prefer romance. Okay, you're going to be talking about those type of movies. Or maybe you're going to be like, no, I'm someone who really enjoy, cartoons. You're going to be talking about those type of movies. Okay, so people are going to be checking on your reviews, listen to your opinion, okay, and they're gonna be like, hey, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna watch these movies. Okay, you can promote basically anything online, because as I mentioned before, over 80% of the companies have an affiliate program. So my suggestion, and this is based on my experience, again, I promote only things that I tested myself. Okay, because I prefer to recommend things based on my experience and not something give people the wrong idea based on my thoughts, and chances are that that's not really what it is. I prefer just to be legit. Okay, so guys, again, if you want to learn more about this and you want to be a pro, check the very first link in the description. Okay, so this is it for this video. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.